In this video, you are going to learn how to export a single frame from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you ever want to create a thumbnail from a particular moment in your video, or you just want to use a still image for some effects, this feature is really useful. Once you have opened your Premiere Pro project file and added your clips, make sure to place the playhead, the moving slider, exactly at the frame you want to export. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame until you land on the perfect shot. Now, keep an eye on the program monitor. As you move the slider, you will notice the video changing frame by frame. Once you are happy with the picture you want, look at the bottom of the program monitor. You will see a list of options there. Among those options, you will find a camera icon. This is called the export frame option. If you don't see the camera icon on your system, don't worry, just click on the plus button on the very right side, then drag and drop the export frame button into the program monitor panel. After clicking the camera icon, a new window will pop up. Here you will see some export settings. First, give your frame a name or leave it as it is if you don't want to change it. Next, choose the format. You can go with PNG, JPG or any other supported format. Then you will see the color depth option. This is a newer feature in the latest Adobe versions. In the older versions, it wasn't there. Just keep it at 8-bit. After that, choose the destination folder where you want to save the exported frame. Finally, there is a checkbox asking if you want to import this exported frame into your project file. Tick it if you want to use the picture inside your timeline, or leave it unchecked if not. Once you have set everything, just click OK. That's it. You have successfully exported a frame from your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro and YouTube related tutorials.